French Provincial Style Dresser on the side of the road. No, it didn't look like this. It was that creamy white and gold color like from the 80s. As soon as I found it, I got a phone call. It was crazy. It was actually the 80s. And they're like, hey, can I get my dresser back? And I was like, no, I'll take care of it.
I am on coat 2 of black chalk paint. You might notice that I'm using a makeup brush. I encourage you to watch my video on getting a smooth finish. And
Watch all my videos while you're at it.
the paint should be not too runny. I make my own and absolutely love it. It dries quick.
Anything that has to do with creativity, I am all about.
In the description below, you may find a link on how to purchase my paint if you're interested. One day, you too will be able to paint this fast. Simply buy my course for only about $1 billion. I will then spend my time nickeling and diming you until you either learn my method
Or give up.
Link is in the description. Now back to the show. Be sure to paint any areas that may reveal themselves after the drawers are put back in. If your dresser is missing a drawer like mine, no problem. We're going to turn it into a shelf.
Because I'm lazy.
Make sure the bottom of the shelf is sturdy. You may need to add some thin board, and then paint inside. As you can see, I'm actually painting over the handles instead of removing them. Why, you ask? Because I can't take them off. There's no screw on the inside of the drawers to remove the drawer pulls, so I'm painting over them. Keep watching to see what I do next with those handles. The next step is to distress just the edges with about 100 grit sandpaper. Be careful not to get any more than just the edges for the cleanest look. It will look like this once you are done. You'll be sanding the rest of the dresser with 250 to 400 grit sandpaper using a very light hand. This will make your paint nice and smooth as butter. If you didn't get all of the edges in your first swoop, go ahead and get them now as well.
Don't forget the edges on the bottom, they're special too.
Be sure to watch my video on how to look like a scrub. It's great. I use a vacuum to clean up the dust from the sandpaper, and you should always wear a mask to prevent headaches or other issues that may be worse from breathing in too much debris. Trust me, you need to wear a mask. Like all the time now. You can use a damp, lint-free rag to get rid of anything that didn't come up with the vacuum. Don't press too hard though, or you may actually remove some paint as well. This is called wet distressing, and we are not doing that. My name's Angela, and I promote videos on creative living. I post videos weekly, and if you're getting value out of this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. This will help push my videos out to other people that also enjoy creative crafts. If your project has raised areas like mine, be sure to distress every single little edge, every single little teeny weeny little one. Your distressed edges should look similar to this. This is what my bottom drawers looked like after they were distressed. After your project is distressed and clean, apply at least 2 coats of clear sealer. There are a variety of products you can use. I like polyacrylic. It's water-based and easy to clean up. There's also waterproof Mod Podge. If you mix it about 1 part water to 5 to 6 parts of Mod Podge, that will make a perfect clear coat for your item. You can also use oil-based varnish, wax, and there are so many more products to check out. If you're getting value out of this video, be sure to subscribe. My name's Angela, and I post videos on creative living. If your clear coat is liquid like polyacrylic, make sure that you brush the product on fast. Get it on there, brush it, and then leave it. If you don't, the paint will actually start to emulsify. Now, one of the reasons that I do like waterproof Mod Podge for my clear coat is it is one of the only products I've found that can sit on the paint for a little bit of time and not start to emulsify it. And when the paint starts to emulsify with these clear coats, it just kind of like starts breaking up and cracking, and before you know it, you're brushing the paint off with your clear coat. So just be very careful with that. And now for the moment that we've all been waiting for. What did I do with those pesky handles? Oh, wrong clip. I used metallic folk art paint in gold. If you'd like more in-depth info on this part, be sure to check out my video on the use and review of folk art paint. Here is that yummy gold folk art paint. Use a small paintbrush to paint the handles. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you may need 2 coats. Remember, we're going for an aged look, so if the paint isn't even or on all parts of the handles, that is totally fine. Just remember, color inside the lines. If you have not noticed my gray hairs, go ahead and continue to not notice them. Thank you. And once again, if you haven't hit that thumbs up or thumbs down, it would be really helpful for you to do that. It really helps me know if my viewers like my videos, if they don't like my videos, if I should make more content like this, if I should make less content like this. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up or thumbs down. Once you're done painting the entire handle, make sure that you give that a couple coats of clear coat as well. And I've actually found that putting clear nail polish with just a teeny bit of that gold glitter makes it really brighten up in the end. I don't know why I'm including this footage. My hand is kind of in the way. I'm sorry about that. And here you can see that I'm using the same technique to paint the knobs as I did the handles. Just brush it on a little bit, give it a few little taps into the indentations, and you're all set. It's good to go. I decided to add more gold paint to other ornate parts of the dresser. Once again, here is the before.
Just lovely.
And here is the after. I sell a lot of the furniture that I paint, so staging is very important to me. Get your hand off that button. This video is not over yet. The best is yet to come. Just a little warning, there is a fan in the background which is very triggering, so be careful.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a couple things. If you did get value out of the video, be sure to subscribe. I post videos weekly on creative living and positive living. Lots of DIY for you. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments, and if you have any suggestions, I am totally open for suggestions. So if you think that I could have done something better, or you have a different idea for this style of furniture, please leave it in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching, stay safe, and have a great day. Peace out. Thanks for watching.